Did someone say portable pool?
What? Huh? Howdy, boys and girls. Today we're doing
Fucking pedophile.
We're gonna I get silly. I'm still gonna send it. 2, 1. I didn't see a thing. The wave's the perfect wave. I can buy every time. Alright, so we're about to drive down the road with a package in the back.
If you want.
Oh no, we're dropping water. We're dropping water.
Dude, chill, you're spilling the whole pool.
Yo, floor it! Oh! Well, he floored it.
Should I stop right here, slam on the brakes?
Yeah.
What? Got any games?
That's disgusting.
That's disgusting.
Alright, where are we going?
Go.
Oh my god. Oh. Ah. Ah. Dude, this is gonna destroy your yard. I know. Georgia, shout out fishing, shout out Damien's cousin.
When mom says it's no grilled cheese night.
Dude, what are you doing? Oh my god! Oh my god!